Alright, here we go. Hello there, my friends! My friends! Today I got a very special surprise! I got a surprise to show you, my friends! This surprise goes with my Puppet Master 1-to-1 scale replicas. I'm going to tell you something, my friends. This Puppet Master replica is not sold on FullMoonDirect.com. I can't tell you where I got it, who gave it to me, or where it came from. It's very special. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to reveal it. It's in this big box right here. Nobody else has this. Full Moon never released it. I wish they would release it, but I got it. And it's a very special Puppet Master replica. It's a secret. I can't tell you where I got it from. Well, my friends, are you ready? I'm going to reveal it. It's a surprise. There we go, my friends. Alright, my friends, you ready? I'm going to reveal the surprise. Alright, my friends, nobody has this except me. This is not on FullMoonDirect.com. This is in my Puppet Master collection. It's a replica. Here it is, my friend. Surprise! Look at this, my friends. This is my special Puppet Master replica. Who is this? That's right, my friends. This is Blitzkrieg. I got a 1-to-1 scale replica of Blitzkrieg. Very special, my friends. Awesome. This is great. The very special replica to add to my Puppet Master collection. Yes, this goes with my Puppet Master replicas. This is a Blitzkrieg replica. Yes, this is Blitzkrieg. For Puppet Masters Axis Rising and Axis Termination. This is great. Look at this, my friends. All the details. The back of him. Awesome. This is very special, my friends. A very special replica. And you're gonna watch a couple things on them. Yes, my friends, that's what's very special about Blitzkrieg. I'm the only one who has this. This is the one-to-one scale replica of Blitzkrieg. Yes, my friends, it's actually custom made. Well, my friends, this is it. This is Blitzkrieg. Awesome, right, my friends? This is great. I love this thing. This belongs to my Puppet Master replicas. My Puppet Master replica collection. My full moon collection. Well, my friends, this is like the most special item to my Puppet Master collection. My full moon collection. I'm the only one who has this, and this is great, and I'm proud of it. Well, my friends, this is Blitzkrieg. Oh, one more thing, my friends, besides Blitzkrieg. That is awesome. Blitzkrieg was the surprise. I got something else to show you, my friends. Just got this in the mail recently. This is the 18th issue of Delirium magazine. The Delirium magazines just keep coming, my friends. David Cronenberg, Lord of the New Flesh. Well, I haven't read it yet. I'm going to read it later today. Well, my friends, that's it for now. Just the Delirium magazine, and of course, my Blitzkrieg replica. Blitzkrieg! Yes! So happy to have Blitzkrieg. And this magazine as well. Well, my friends, this is it. My Puppet Master replica surprise. Blitzkrieg. My Blitzkrieg replica. Nobody else will ever have this. I'm the only one who has it. This is great. It's a nice surprise. Awesome replica. One of the best replicas to have. One of the best villains in the Puppet Master movies. Awesome. And I think I'm going to watch Puppet Master's Axis Rising, Axis Termination, Puppet Master Blitzkrieg Massacre, Bunker of Blood movie on full moon streaming later on today with Blitzkrieg. I'm so happy to have this. This is great. As you see, my friends, his eyes light up. This light also lights up. What an awesome replica this is. This is great. All the details and everything. His Nazi flag is awesome. Nazi symbol. Details on the back of his tank. And, oh my friends, this is great. The wheels. This is a great replica. Blitzkrieg, a great replica. What a surprise this was, right, my friends? I surprised everybody. This is awesome. This is great. Well, my friends, once again, this is it for this video. Blitzkrieg, Delirium magazine. And that's all I got to show you today, my friends. That's it for now. I'm going to go, my friends. I'm going to enjoy Blitzkrieg very much. And I'll talk to you later. Later, my friends.